The other big talking point is definitely on the political side, and the fact that there was that very emphatic victory in the Karnataka Assembly elections this time around by the Congress, which will not only help them retain their 3 Rajya Sabha seats next year when the 4 upper house members retire, but also take the strength from the existing 5 to 7 in the next 3 years. Nikunj, any implications from a market standpoint?
I doubt it very much on Aman, and I'll tell you why. Because the exit polls, in a sense, indicated that it is going to be in Congress victory. So, frankly, from what the exit polls indicated and markets reacted to exit polls, markets always react to the exit polls. And if the final outcome is not in sync with what the exit polls have indicated, then markets, they get surprised and they react a bit more. So, I don't think from a verdict standpoint there is any kind of an change in what the exit polls were indicating. So that is not going to be a market moving news. Since we have the big election in 2024 and you've got state elections, you've got Mizoram, you've got Chhattisgarh, you've got Madhya Pradesh, what could be the implications of that? Now, is this a time when the BJP government will have to do some soul searching and say that, okay, what can we do differently in the run up to the 2024 election and for the state elections? So the two eyes I look at it is, one, in Karnataka it was anti-incumbency. That's how Karnataka has always moved. One gets voted out, the other one comes out, the cycle continues. That's the pattern of that state electorate there. But second, and I think more importantly, is that please remember there's an anti-inflation verdict also here. And this year we may, I hope not, fingers crossed, we may have the El Nino impact. So really at the lower bottom of the pyramid, semi-urban, you know that there is a bit of an inflation pinch and there could be a bit of a chug and a struggle if monsoons are not great here. So you could actually see more welfare schemes getting rolled out, more focus on inflation. I guess now what you will see is going to be focus on welfare schemes and more anti-inflation measure. By the way, inflation has already come down, so it will have an impact with the lag effect. But that is something which I guess the current administration would be cognizant of. Simply because next 3-4 months they say that the 3-4 state elections will be more like in semi-final for the grand finale in 2024.
Yeah, absolutely. That's exactly what CLSA as well has said on the Karnataka election verdict, saying that the Congress party, while it ousted the ruling BJP, all opinion polls see PM Modi re-elected in the 2024 elections.